Hopefully the sound is working now. This first one is Billy Strings. Well, I'm standing all alone by the river of my home, thinking about the days I left behind. All the years that I roam, not a nickel I can show. The river helps to ease my worried mind. Well, the river runs all night and the river runs all day. I can't run no more 'cause I'm here to stay. And I for trouble and I live a life of pain. I sit back, let the water heal my brain. I'm letting go of all my trouble. Think I'll be right here to stay. Where the water keeps on churning and my poor heart is burning. Water, water, take my pain away. One thing that I know is where the people go when everything comes crashing to the ground. Meet me at the creek, grab a beer and tap your feet. That's that water flowing down. Watch that with the water flowing down. And I'm letting go of all my trouble. Think I'll be right here to stay. Where the water keeps on churning and my poor heart is burning. Water, water, take my pain away. Where the water keeps on churning and my poor heart is burning. Water, water, take my pain away. Thank you, Meredith. The next one is John Hartford. Best banjo player out there. This is not a banjo, but we'll see how this goes. Be about 25 years from now, we've all grown old from a wondering how. We'll all sit down at the city dome and talk about the good old days. Pass the joint now, pass the wine, and anything else from down the line. A lot of good things went down one time, back in the good old days. Well, the good old days are past and gone. A lot of good people that done gone on. And that's my life when I sing this song. Back in the good old days. Sometimes I get thinking that we're almost done and there ain't nothing else we can figure out. We must have felt a lot more like that back in the good old days. When you gotta go, you gotta go. There's always somebody saying, don't you know? Damn, he's hanging around saying I told you so. Back in the good old days. Well, the good old days are past and gone. A lot of good people people have done gone on. And that's my life when I sing this song. Back in the good old days. So we'll all hold hands and we'll gather around when that old guitar starts to make that sound. And a lot of good things went down downtown. Back in the good old days. So we're squeezing up with people we haven't met. Out for anything that we could get. Oh, we did it then and we'll do it yet. Back in the good old days. Well, the good old days are past and gone. A lot of good people have done gone on. And that's my life when I sing this song. Back in the good old days. Back in the good old days. Back in the good old days. That was a little rough, but I got through it. Learning that one. I'm gonna do one more for this sound check. This one is the Chainsmokers. Crashing, hit a wall, and now I need a miracle. Hurry up now, I need a miracle. Stranded, reaching out, call your name but you're not around. Say your name but you're not around. I need you, I need you, I need you right now. Yeah, I need you right now. So don't let me, don't let me, don't let me down. Don't let me down, it's in my head, darling. I hope that you'll be here when I need you the most. So don't let me, don't let me, don't let me down. Don't let me down. Think I'm losing my mind now, yeah. Think I'm losing my mind now, yeah. It's in my head, darling. I hope that you'll be here when I need you the most. So don't let me, don't let me, don't let me down. Don't let me down, don't let me down, down, down. Running out of time, thought that you were on my side. There's nobody at my side. I need you, I need you, I need you right now. I need you right now. So don't let me, don't let me, don't let me down. Don't let me down, it's in my head, darling. I hope that you'll be here when I need you the most. So don't let me, don't let me, don't let me down. Don't let me down. Think I'm losing my mind now, yeah. Think I'm losing my mind now, yeah. It's in my head, darling. I hope that you'll be here when I need you the most. Don't let me, don't let me, don't let me down. Don't let me down, don't let me down, down, down. Don't let me down, don't let me down, down. Thank you. Click the link over here. You can watch some Longmont musicians.